Welcome to this Excel tutorial where I'm going to show you how to use AI to fix your broken macros in Excel. And anybody can do this. You do not need to know how to use VBA or macros. In this example, let's say you got a workbook from a coworker, you changed a few things, but you don't remember exactly what. Then you go to input your data. Subscript out of range. Okay, that was not supposed to happen. That's also not a very helpful error. You hit debug. Great, what am I doing in this window? Why am I here? Why is this line highlighted in yellow? Here, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot it, how to fix it, how to get it working again in no time. And we only need 3 things to do this: AI, our workbook, the macro code itself. And if you'd like to learn more about using AI with Excel, check out my full course on that. There's a sign up link for it below this video, and everyone who signs up to be notified of its release will get an extra discount. Now let's get into it. Here we are using ChatGPT 4.0, a really robust model. Another great one's going to be the O3 Mini High, great at coding and logic. And this only requires 3 parts. We paste in a prompt, then below that we are going to paste in the code, then we attach the workbook itself. So back here to the VBA window, we can hit Control-A, Control-C to copy everything. Now, if you have multiple macros, what you are going to want to do is to go to the beginning of the sub, where you have the yellow line highlighted, then the very next end sub, and only copy that. It depends on your workbook, but usually it's a good idea to go with a minimal amount of code first. And if you're not already on this screen, simply from Excel hit Alt F11. Then go over here, find your workbook. In Modules, double-click the module that has the offending macro. Then we can go here, paste in the code, all there. Then we attach the workbook itself. This is the workbook that contains the macro. Run. It's going to do a little bit of thinking, and after a few moments, you will have, all the way down here, an answer. The macro references a sheet named input form, but the workbook does not contain that. It only contains sheets named input basic, input, and data. The error occurs because the code tries to access sheets input form, which does not exist. How amazing is that? It says to fix it, update this line of code and change it to be this line of code. So we can simply copy this, go back here. Now it is the highlighted line right here in yellow, but if we didn't have that, we could simply hit Control F to find it, paste that line in, find next, there we go. Go back here, copy, back here, paste it in. Alt F11 to go back to Excel, add item, success. And all the way down here, there you go. If you like this tutorial, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and give us a thumbs up. As well, share with anyone who you think might find this helpful. The more you share it, the more tutorials we can make. As well, we are making a full AI in Excel course that's going to be released soon. Make sure you sign up for it to get notified when it's released, and we'll give you a nice little discount for it. That's all for this tutorial. See you next time.